In this 16-cell mouse habitat, utopian conditions of nutrition, comfort, and housing. Yet, in spite of ideal conditions, the mouse population met with catastrophe. Within the first 100 days, this was a period of adjustment. Territories were established, and nests were made. The next period lasted about 250 days. The use of resources became unequal. More food and water was consumed in some areas. Most mice associated eating and drinking with the presence of others, and crowding developed in certain units. The third period, consisting of 300 days, found the population of mice leveling off. The newer generations of young were inhibited. Since most space was already socially defined, violence became prevalent. Excess males strived for acceptance, were rejected, and withdrew. Huddling together, they would exhibit brief flurries of violence among themselves. The effects of violence became increasingly visible. Other young mice growing into adulthood exhibited an even different type of behavior. Dr. Calhoun called these individuals the beautiful ones. Their time was devoted solely to grooming, eating, and sleeping. They never involved themselves with others, engaged in sex, nor would they fight. All appeared as a beautiful exhibit of the species, with keen, alert eyes and a healthy, well-kept body. These mice, however, could not cope with unusual stimuli. Though they looked inquisitive, they were, in fact, very stupid. Dr. Calhoun called the last period the die phase, leading the population into extinction. Each animal became less aware of associates, despite all animals being pushed closer together. The evidence of violence increased to the point where most individuals had had their tails bitten to some degree. Eventually, the entire mouse population perished.
No je tu nádej, hoci trochu iná. Keď myšiam pridali zariadenia, ktorými si museli navzájom pomôcť, aby získali jedlo, život mnohých myší sa zmenil. Či už sa spýtaš staršieho človeka, ako sa má, opravíš niečo pokazené, vysadíš strom, či vytvoríš krásne umelecké dielo pre ostatných. Prestaneš stále niečo požadovať, ale naopak začneš dávať, aj keď možno nič nemáš. Dávaš, aj keď si v tej najmizernejšej situácii v živote. Tvoje povzbudenie, tvoje slovo, tvoj čas. Potom, keď tvoje bytie začneš premieňať na krásu, lebo čím je svet okolo teba tmavší, tým viac môžeš svietiť. To všetko môžeš dať a preto ťa vyzývam, nepozeraj na svet. Svieť. Svieť ako Ježiš Kristus.